Hey, welcome to Dan's Model Works, and some of you may be thinking, geez, he has been posting too many model videos lately. Well, I've been a little bit busy with work and life and everything like that, and one of the things that's come up is this thing. This is a 2005 Dodge Caravan, and it used to belong to my father, who passed away about a year and 3 months ago, and my mom and I decided that what we were going to do is transfer the ownership from his estate into my name because she doesn't drive, and mechanically it's actually in really good shape. The only problem is like all caravans of this particular generation, it has serious rust issues, especially if you live anywhere in, you know, the northern U.S. or Canada. You know that the salt just destroys these things. So before we can transfer the ownership and register it and put it on the road, it has to be safetied. So we have to address all the rust issues. So I already have one of these. This one right there, and this is in 2007, and despite the fact that it's 2 years newer, its body is all rotted out too, so whatever repairs I do to the beige one, I'm going to be doing to this one. But the plan is if I drive the older one more, this one will hopefully last a little bit longer. So I'm going to show you some of the huge rust issues this thing has, and, you know, don't bother telling me what I'm doing wrong, because I've done lots of body work before, and I just basically want to get this thing fixed enough so we can get it back on the road. I'm not concerned with perfect, I'm just concerned with passing safety. So, if you have any experience with these caravans, you know that the rocker panels are terrible. This one here actually isn't too bad at the under the driver's side. It's completely gone there where you're supposed to jack it, and you can see there's absolutely nothing here. There's nothing here. It's completely gone. So you can buy, laying down here, you can buy new rocker panels. So this is a better picture of the rocker panels that you can just glue or weld on. We're welding ours just because the car is so crusty. I don't trust the glue. I'd rather clean up the metal and weld to it. It seems to be giving us better results. I've already done the other side, but the first step here is going to have to be the welding flange that runs along. I need to reinforce that just so that I've got something better to glue. This is some sort of I don't know, some sort of soundproofing they put in there. But we'll show the other side to see what it looks like when you put the new rocker panel on. So this side has had the rocker panel welded in place. And before everybody pounces on the comment section to say, Dan, you really suck as a welder, you're damn right I do. I only bought the welder about 2 or 3 months ago, and I think grand total I've got, maybe an hour and a half continuous. But it is in fact welded to the car. All of these are plug welds. So our next step is going to be to apply lots of Bondo, but this is all really very solid. And this area here, that was gone. There wasn't even, that was all gone. So we actually had to form a piece of galvanized metal and fit it in place. So But we've been at this for a couple hours, and my knees are shot. And of course, I worked last night, so let's see, it's 12 noon, and I got up at like 11:15 last night to go to work. So I think probably this will be Natasha who does the bondo on this. So with the door closed, you can see that we have to do the lower 4 or 5 inches of this door skin. But we do have a plan for that. And you can see here's the dog leg. And we'll fix this. But this rocker panel, I was actually kicking it with my steel toe shoes, and it wasn't going anywhere. So, by the time I get the bondoed, should pass safety okay. That's the main thing. As I said, there can't be any holes, and we better not see any evidence of screws or rivets holding it together. So, just an update before I edit this update. There is going to be a video coming within the next 3 or 4 days, hopefully, maybe 5 days, of the Saber Dog. Looks like I'm going to get some paint on it. Won't be finished, but it'll be a small update. Modeling is still continuing, but like I said, we've got some busy things we're doing. And right after this, Natasha's going to have a little announcement for you.
Hi everyone, this is Natasha. Dad and I are going to be at the Southwestern Ontario Model Expo this Saturday. Although we won't be there in an official capacity, I am entering a model and I'm trying to convince Dad to enter one too. So if you are in the area, see you there.
So, thanks for watching, and until next time, just keep on modeling.